Hello, good morning, Diamond Rose crew. What's going on? How you diamonds, sparkling diamonds, and you shining diamonds doing this morning? Hope you all are doing very well in these times that we are living in. I'm a little hoarse, so you guys, here we go with the first job. The first job is a customer service representative, work from home in Minnesota. It's based out in Minnesota. Customer service representative sales, work from home. In order to qualify for this work from home position, you must reside in one of the following states: Minnesota. Answer your calling and take the lead at our company from the comfort of your home. As a member of our team, you'll define how our customers engage with the latest product offerings, media, and entertainment. It's an opportunity to be the voice of AT&T, a global leader in communications and technology, in a career where we'll count on you to deliver a best-in-class customer service. In this role, you'll take the lead in addressing customer questions and concerns on all products and services through resolution, pertaining to a variety of issues. You'll need a strong attention to detail to maintain appropriate records, prepare required reports, and updating customer accounts. Each case will provide an opportunity to creatively problem solve ways to address customer issues through various tools and systems. Most importantly, your ability to provide effective and timely resolutions will impact the overall customer experience. There may also be instances where you provide customer support as assigned. This may include selling products and services, collecting past due balances, processing credit application, and/or activating services. You will also be required to efficiently navigate between multiple systems to resolve complex customer concerns as it relates to one or more products or services. Uncover customer wants, interests, and needs to end each customer interaction to effectively save the product and offer additional products and services. Demonstrate sufficiency and through utilizing various support tools to research and resolve complex customer issues in a virtual setting. Utilize virtual communication tools to engage your manager or support team for assistance. Remain proficient in explaining customer bills as well as managing billing, rate plan, and feature matters for one or more products or service. Perform basic troubleshooting for one or more products or services. Adhere to a schedule, including breaks, lunches, and scheduled open time to ensure availability to answer the customer's call and provide exceptional services. This is a full-time position that's 40 hours per week. Flexibility to work any schedule during hours of operation is essential. Current business hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. and Saturday and Sunday, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Work from home requirements. Must have verified internet service, secure, reliable, and dedicated high speed is required to support business needs, and an established dedicated work area, desk, chair, electrical outlet, direct LAN connection. Company will provide equipment, keyboard, monitor, computer, mobile device, etc. Must maintain a workspace in alignment with work from home standards, technical security, physical noise levels, clean desk policy, etc., and participate in workspace audits, remote desktop observation, call and screen recordings, live webcam monitoring, pictures of workspace setup, video chats, etc. Be available, accessible, and accountable to work during established work schedules and shifts. Follow technical support processes. Comply with organizational security and compliance standards training, performance management, recurring management routines, manual and automatic remote monitoring policies, etc. So what's in it for you? We'll offer paid training that you'll be required to complete from home, as well as resources to encourage your career growth. We also offer a competitive compensation package. This role starts at $17.62 per hourly, $705 weekly, and through $19.78 hourly, $791.50 per week. And eligible AT&T wireless plans up to 2 accounts per employee, up to 10 lines per account, and wireless accessories. AT&T Internet fiber where available, AT&T phone, and AT&T wireless home phone. There's no better time than now to dial into a work from home center our career with AT&T. Want to learn more about our work from home rules? You have to watch this video and apply today. So what they're going to do is take you to their YouTube channel. They're going to take you to this, and they're going to take you there, and the video, and apply today. And yeah, in order to qualify for this work from home position, you must reside in the following states. Minnesota. The job was just posted yesterday, and this is a job ID. And I already said it. And things about the benefits are right here. It's compensation. And let's start with the big one. Your work gets rewarded with competitive compensation and benefits. It really does pay to be on our team. And vacation, they got paid time off. Staycation. Heck, let's take a road trip on top of paid holiday. Chill out with paid time off that you can spend any way you want. And they have tuition assistance. Our people have class. Literally, we can help you out on approved education costs with our tuition assistance plan. So they have that. And here's another reason to breathe easy. You and your family get access to excellent medical, dental, and vision insurance options. And want to make your friends really jealous? You'll get discounts, access to the latest and greatest AT&T products and services. Plus other awesome items like tickets to live events. Sounds great. Sounds interesting. You strike us as an overachiever. Don't worry, it's a compliment. Our team training development programs are your ticket to expert status in your job. Training and development, this is what this is. And you get to do savings, retirement savings. When the day comes that you get some much needed R&R, not that you'd ever want to leave life at AT&T. You know your future is set with the AT&T Retirement Savings Plan, ARSP. And they got community and team events that you can always attend. And they have compensation. Let's start with the big one. Your work gets rewarded with competitive compensation and benefits. It really does pay to be on our team. Pay time off. They're just telling you exactly what you have to do, what kind of benefits you have, and what type of position this is. It's a customer service role, and you will be talking to customers and helping them out with their products and selling them AT&T products, etc. When it comes to the AT&T side of their business, And that's it. If you guys like this job, I will be posting the link down below. And that's it for this video. And you guys apply. Diamond Crew, I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are viewing my videos. It's a new channel pretty much. But it's getting up there, you know. So if you can, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know when I get on. And keep sparkling, keep shining. Let's go. Don't let nobody discourage you. You got this. You got this. Keep going. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.